Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Niles, and today I'll be covering what is rippling on the XRP Ledger. So with that said, let's dive right in. So rippling simply refers to a process of settlement between multiple parties who have trust lines for the same token. More specifically, rippling is a setting on a trust line that can either enable or disable the interchangeability of currencies with the same ticker and different issuing accounts. When transacting on the XRP ledger, rippling can create capital efficiencies by allowing multiple gateways to work as one, thus reducing spreads and slippages when trades are executed. To further clarify, here's an example. Let's say in your wallet you have two trust lines set for two different currencies, and the two currencies have the same ticker, in this case USD. With rippling enabled on each trust line, this would mean that your wallet will allow payments to ripple through your wallet as an intermediary. In a cross-currency transaction, this effectively turns your wallet into a market maker for the currency pair. For non-issuing accounts such as my XRP Ledger wallet, enabling rippling can be undesirable because it lets other users shift obligations between tokens with the same currency code but different issuers. For instance, I'd prefer to keep rippling on its default setting, which is disabled, because if one day I unknowingly add a fake token with the same ticker as one of my real assets, I wouldn't want to risk having the real assets from the trusted issuer replaced with fake tokens from a potentially fraudulent issuer. Here's an example of rippling in action. In this case, we have three XRP Ledger users and two issuers of USD stablecoin, GateHub and Bitstamp. Also, user B has rippling enabled on both trust lines. While excluding transaction fees for simplicity's sake, the transaction we will demonstrate is user A sending user C 1 USD. So initially, user A has a balance of 10 GateHub USD, user B has a balance of 20 GateHub USD and 10 Bitstamp USD, and user C has a balance of 10 Bitstamp USD. When user A submits the transaction to send user C 1 USD, the result is the following. User A's balance decreases by 1 GateHub USD. User B's balance increases by 1 Bitstamp USD and decreases by 1 GateHub USD because it has rippling enabled on both trust lines. And user C's balance increases by 1 Bitstamp USD. One way to enable or disable rippling on a trust line is through the Sologenic Dex. Here you can change the setting simply by navigating to your wallet portfolio and selecting Add Asset. Here under the Show More tab, we can see the option to enable or disable the rippling flag for the trust line. So in summary, the process of rippling enables a wallet to act as a passive intermediary between two parties involved in a transaction. This allows for the efficient and secure transfer of value between parties without the need for a central intermediary or clearinghouse. And that will conclude today's video. I'll be sure to include links to more information about rippling in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.